Right, today we're in Blackpool and we're at the White Moon Hotel. Just spoke to Lady Joy. Her and her dad took this over 2 months ago and they're trying to improve it. So I booked a single room ensuite. Let's take a look, shall we? Right, so as you can see, single. We've got a towel there, window with blinds, pillow, like blood. Yeah. And then mattress looks clean. Yeah. Bedside table there. Drawers. Yeah, that's clean actually. And this lovely velvet thing over it. And then this wardrobe with hangers and wardrobe and bin. Put TV. Put socket on first. There's your extension bit. There's your TV on. Let's just check, shall we? We've got tea, coffee, milk. There's a kettle, little travel kettle. Yeah, it looks clean. You know the house? Where do we start? The cellar still. Just looks like coating. They could be do with a bit of dust. I don't know, yeah. Right, so TV works. I'm at the other cellar. Sorry, sir, and then got a stool there, radiator. And this is the bathroom, toilet roll, towel rail. Apparently the bulb's gone, so she's improvised, which is good. Her hair and body wash and sanitary bags there, sink and shower. Yeah, I could do with better clean. That head, yeah, that needs a really good clean. Because it hasn't been cleaned for ages. So yeah. No shelf though, which is a shame. Towel, ring, mirror, hook there. So yeah, I said this is the White Moon. A lovely picture there. Oh, and there's bedside lamp there. And then shall we? One of the bulbs works. Yeah, I could do with a little bit of paint work being done. It looks like there's mould or something up there as well, like damp and cracking. But yeah, like I said, I've only owned it for 2 months, so hopefully it will improve in time. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I paid £28 odd for this room for one night, and yeah, not too bad for the price. Yeah, so this one reads Reeds Avenue, which is just up from Abbott Road, I think it is. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.